Happy St. Patrick's Day. How's everybody doing? Today, I'm not really cooking, but I'm just making a sandwich. I'm making chicken salad. So, I'll show you. I diced up some onion and some celery. And I'm going to use my canned chicken. And I've drained it really well. But you can use rotisserie chicken, use whatever chicken you got left over that you've cooked or whatever. If you've got grapes or craisins, you can use that too. And I got some eggs boiling. I'll probably put one egg in there and use the other 2 eggs just to snack on. Or a quick, easy breakfast. Or an egg salad, maybe. Okay. Put my celery and onions in there. If you don't have celery, you can use celery flakes, celery salt, whatever you feel like. And I'm going to mix that, combine that really good, making sure all that chicken is shredded up. I use canned chicken a lot because it's economical for me and it's there when I'm ready for it. But you can add whatever spices you want to. I'm going to use garlic and pepper and a little bit of salt. And some relish. If you got dill pickles, go ahead. If you don't, if you got dill spices, go ahead and use that. Dill seasoning. I like pickle. I mix everything thoroughly as I put it in. That way I can see better if I need it more or not. And I've got some bread toasting. Because I don't have no buns or crescent rolls or nothing, so that's what I'm going to use. And the mayo. If you want cheese in here, go ahead. If you want cheese on top of your sandwich, go ahead. If you want to put it on crackers or leaf lettuce or whatever, go ahead, do that too. Now I'm just waiting on them eggs to get done. Let's see. Yes, I got Miracle Whip, but you can use whatever mayo you got or want. And you can make it as creamy as you want or lighter as you want. You can even use ranch dressing in this, you know that? Or a Greek yogurt, plain Greek yogurt. Probably a little much on the mayonnaise, but that's going to be my lunches. I just didn't feel like cooking. So, sometimes when you don't feel like cooking, you got to see what you got in there. And I got a piece of lettuce ready, and I got some tomato ready to put on my sandwich. Now we're just waiting on the eggs. And I got some cheddar old fishes. The cheddar flavor I got from that food pantry. Now I'm just waiting on those eggs. I'll be back in a moment. I'm going to add some chives to it, give it some little bit of green in there. You can use fresh chives if you want. I did not have any. Still waiting on those eggs. And I got a piece of Swiss cheese out. I think they're done. And I've got them in cold water, but I'm only going to use one. But you can put whatever you like in your egg or chicken salad or egg salad. I only boiled them for like 10 minutes and run them over cold water. They're still a little warm though. So I'm just going to put it right in the bowl. Yeah, they're done. Got the news on to see the weather. If you hear it in the background, I'm sorry. And I'll use those and cool them down and put them in the fridge and use them for a snack or something. Okay, that's plenty for me. Okay. I've toasted my bread. Yeah, that's plenty. That's plenty of egg for me. Gotta get creative with the eggs since they're so expensive. But you still need them for things. I mean, I try to show things that you don't need eggs for, but you don't have to put egg in here if you don't want. Oh, I forgot. Alrighty. I forgot to put my tomato and my lettuce and my cheese. Duh. You ever get to doing something and you forget what you're doing? And the lettuce. Okay, it still worked out. Still worked out. And that's my quick little lunch. And that's quite a bit of crackers in there. Now we will give it a taste. See if I put too much mayonnaise or not enough of something. Cut it. There we go. It's one of them days that you don't really want to cook, but you know you got to eat something. Good. Got enough pickles, got enough everything. Really good. And it'd be good on crackers. Be good on a bed of lettuce. Very good. What do you put in your chicken salad? Grandma loves you. Please come back and see me again.